LT Steamer Remote Control Garment Steamer, S7. 3.8-liter large water tank can use for heavy duty. Telescopic pole can be easily adjusted. Foldable hanger and pant clips for trousers ironing. Steam nozzle with 6 vapor vents. Can be placed on the holder. This smart garment steamer with touch control panel. LCD digital display. 12 power levels are optional. Power level is adjustable from steam iron handle. Water shortage alarm and built-in protection system. Easy to move around with roll caster.